Hello, today I will show you how to change the autosave interval in Crusader Kings III. Do so by first, opening settings. To do so, click this button right here, or open the main menu from inside the game by pressing the escape button and then clicking on settings. Once in settings, make sure you're in the game subsection. Then look for the save games. Here you can change the autosave interval from every year to an autosave every 5 years, every 6 months or every month. I recommend, if you have a weaker hardware, to make it autosave either every year or every 5 years. But if you have a really good computer, make sure to tap every month, so you don't lose any progress if your game crashes or if you accidentally Alt F4 the game because you got a bad event. And well, that's it. You can confirm everything by tapping OK. And thank you for watching. And please remember to comment, like and subscribe.